Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable MAC address randomization on your Android device. First, open the settings, then scroll down until you see the About Phone or About Device section. Open it, then scroll to the bottom of it until you see the build number. Now tap the build number 8 times and enter your PIN if you have any. This way you unlock developer options. Go back into the settings, select System, scroll down to developer options, then scroll down until you find the Wi-Fi Non-Persistent MAC Randomization feature. To enable MAC randomization, enable this option, and that's how you enable MAC randomization. If you want to learn more about your device using your MAC address, visit our Wi-Fi.Info website. If you liked this video, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.